Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be working on my wall. I'm going to be doing some creative stuff with my wall, and I want to show y'all some of my ideas that I have for my wall. I'm in here finishing up my learning center. It is not quite finished, but I'm going to show you guys like step by step on some of the little DIYs that I'm going to be doing. I'm not done. I got the paper still up in the wall, but I'm gonna be showing y'all step by step what I'm gonna be doing. The one thing that is gonna get me is I am right next door to a craft store. I love arts and crafts. If y'all been watching me for a while, you already know that. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and walk over here to the craft store and pick up my things and show y'all how I'm about to do this wall. Okay, so I didn't want to drive because I'm so close, but I'm crossing this road, right? So I'm gonna run. Y'all know what? This is not gonna be good. I am literally like 2 seconds away from a craft store. This is gonna be death. I know. Okay, so I was thinking about doing a 3D wall. I really want to do a 3D wall. I've been seeing a lot of people with 3D walls, and everybody is ordering like this PVC material, and they're putting it up, and it looks really nice, but I just really didn't want mine like everybody else's. So I was like, hey, I can do a picture frame wall, and that's where I was like, okay. And I wanted to keep everything, you know, white. So I'm just looking around. Oh, that would be so cute. Even though I see it's used for like to keep you know, like keepsakes or whatever, but it just is so cool how it's just kind of like coming out. I don't really know exactly what I want to do, but I want to do some kind of design using square or circles. I was thinking picture frames. Okay, so I'm looking at picture frames. Picture frames are pretty expensive, and I am really like a cheap girl, right? Look at that, 60 bucks. That is not gonna fill up the wall. I need something that is cheap that I can fill up the wall and make it look cool and different. These are, I just was looking at these. These are for like keepsakes and stuff like that, but I want it to be 3D, so I kind of want it to stick out, but I really don't want to spend that much money. Okay, so look at these frames. I could do something with this. You're gonna get 4 for $15 plus 50% off. That's pretty cool, but it would take so many of them, so I'm still gonna look. Y'all, this place is so distracting. I'm supposed to be looking for one thing, and I am in here looking at other stuff. So I can get any, even the ones that say $19.99, I can get those for the $12.99.
The ones that are $19.99, between 8 by 10 to 18 by 24.
That's a deal.
It is. I mean, it's the best time to get.
Okay, so this is the wall. It looks so plain, right? I'm gonna hook it up. I'm gonna fix it up. So I ended up purchasing the 14 by 14, and I got some little small ones. These are canvas for painting, but I'm not gonna use them for painting, and I broke one. So I'm gonna use this one to show y'all my design. I'm gonna draw it out. Well, I'm about to draw it because you have to plan your work and work your plan. Okay, go over. So, the little bitty ones, they're gonna go like this. I'm gonna start in the middle first so that I can balance it out. They're gonna be like diamonds. Yes, that's gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. Yeah, y'all like that. Look at that. Look at that. That girl can draw. Then the big ones, these are gonna go. It's gonna be like a sequence. See, you thought that sequence you learned in kindergarten would never pay off, and it did. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see where we're going with this? Can you see where we're going with this? So then we're going to do little diamonds over here again, here again, and again. They're not even on here, but don't judge me because when I put it on that wall, I'm going to shock you. you know, and then I'm just keep going until the wall is just all, you know, filled up with the sequence. Small diamond, big diamond, little diamond, hem diamond. Okay? It's gonna be cute. Okay, so I'm getting ready to get started, and these are some of the things that you are going to need. I'm gonna use a leveler and my measuring tape. It's cute, it's pink, right? So I got my command hanging strips. This is like really good. I just started using these like recently. It's better than using nails, especially like if you live in an apartment or you doing something and you change stuff around a lot. Like these are so good. They come in different, like this one has the weight on it, like how much weight it can hold. What I'm hanging is really not that heavy. So these are like, these are so light, right? So I don't need that much weight on them, but you can purchase these and get them where they'll hold, you know, more weight. I really like them because like I can move stuff around. Like if I put something up or put a hole in the wall with a nail or either one of those little hangy thingies, I have to take it down if it's not in the right spot. So that's why I like these. They're so to figure out like the area of the wall. Like I need to know like how wide this wall is because I need to be centered. I don't know what it is, but whenever I see stuff and it's not centered, like I freak out. And this is 11 feet. So half of 11 feet is 5.5, right? So let's find it. I did not bring a pen. But anyway, let's find 5.5 or a pencil. So 5.5 is right here, but I need to mark it, so we might have to. It's right here. You can just use this because I gotta repaint these walls because we've been in here working. I'm just at the decorating portion, and I mean it don't have to be like exact, but like really really close, so I can kind of eyeball that. And then I have to figure out where I want to start. I had already put one here, one of the command strips. I feel like this was like my center point, but if you look at it, I'm kind of off. So I'm going to move that over because evidently it's not centered. But that was like that's like where I want to start. So I kind of like need to move it over some. So I'm going to get one and put it right there. And I'm going to start with the small ones. If y'all remember my little diagram I drew, that's what I want to do. And it's going to sit like a diamond, like right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on here. Right? We'll take this one off because we already know like where we want to put it. So I put it on there, and then I'm going to take another one and just put it, I'm gonna put it right directly on top. Well, we'll do it the opposite. I'm gonna put it on top, but just not really really good, just a little bit, just to hold it. And then I'm gonna take these off. Do not judge my nails because I've been working, and yes, I got glue and all kind of stuff on me. Don't be judgmental because I'm always doing 500 things at a time. So, and I have no nails. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm looking down, like I can tell. I'll just kind of like, if you like real anal, I shouldn't have took that down so quick. Stop for a minute. Stop for a minute. Okay, so I kind of felt like it was about right here. I took that down too quick. So I don't know. Do you think am I even with that? Do you think?
Yeah.
I'm good.
No, scoot over to your
Right
right a little bit.
Here?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try not to get my fingers caught up in this because I'm very clumsy. And I wanna just push this on here. And it's good because this is my center. Okay, so you have to decide how far apart they're gonna be, right? I'm gonna make sure my little diagram, that little ugly diagram I drew is so y'all can see it. So I wanna have it about 3 inches. I don't want this in the way, so let me figure out how I can get this to 3 inches, right? Sometimes I'm really good at eyeballing stuff, and there I was not. So I can put it right there, yeah, because I don't want to go all the way. That's pretty good right there. Okay, so then I've already prepared this one, and I want to, the stickers are up there, so it's not going to bother anything. I want to line it up, kind of come with the camera like here. Yeah, so they can see. Then I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so now we're on the other side of my diamond, and I am marking it right there at the 3 mark. 3 inches, 3-inch mark. And it's here, right?
Right.
Okay, yeah, cool. I'm gonna clear. Oh no. I purposely didn't put these on good because I want to push it into the wall. All right, so it's here. I'm so goofy. Okay. All right. And we are all clear. And then I can do my next one. So my last one, I need to get it to the 3-inch mark line. And it is here.
Come to the right of them.
Here. Oh yeah. Am I good?
Yeah, you good right here.
And we are all gravy. So I like to start in the middle. I thought that was like made the most sense because then I could just spread everything from this point. Everything is going to be surrounded around this. Okay, so now I'm ready to put on my bigger ones, and I'm still doing the same thing. I'm going to measure it out to the 3 inches. I've already done it on all of those sides so that it could kind of speed up. And I'm going to center it. Am I centered?
Yes.
You sure? Okay, so this is how we're gonna solve that. Let's figure out what this is. It's kind of like doing the frontals, and if you're in my frontal class, you know you only know this. So this is 11 inches, right? Then this, you can come here. This is 14. So 14 take away 11 is what? 14.
Oh, you want me to say?
11.
Oh, sorry. 3.
Okay, so half of 3 is 1.5.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is find the 1.5, and then you come down here and find the 1.5. This is so like extra, right? But I mean, if you want it centered, this is what you have to do. If you want everything kind of centered. All right, so now I can put it up because I know exactly where it's going. And I'm gonna paint these, guys. I'm just trying to figure out where everything going. So I know that it has to be here, right? Because I can see that line. That line is going to be right with it. Am I there?
Yeah.
And I've already marked this one. And I am done. So I just continue this whole thing. I'm going to record me doing this. I'll just continue all the way. So these 4 little squares, they'll go there, and you'll see me kind of put it together. I'm gonna fast forward everything just a little bit so you'll get bored. And this is basically how I'm gonna do it the whole way. And enjoy. Okay, so what I did was I just took some tape and I measured it and made it to 5 inches, and then I made this to 3 inches. So make it faster. And this is my wall after, except I ran out of the small boxes. So you have to stay tuned for part 2 because I'm going to do a custom chandelier and throw up a couple more of these small boxes. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification so you get the notification so you will see me on my next video. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on.